For making the friendship band, here I'm taking 4 different color strings. You can get these kind of strings easily from the market. And now here I'm arranging these strings so that I can get the center, as I want a loop in the center of the strings. You just have to make a simple knot. After making the knot, just tighten it up. And this kind of loop is what we are looking for. Now I'm taking a needle to fix my friendship band on the blanket, as I'm using a blanket as my background. You can also use a tape if you're making the friendship band on a floor or on a table. And after doing so, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna arrange the strings individually, 4 on one side and 4 on the other. The process of braiding the friendship band is easy. What you have to do is just take one string from the outside and put it inside, and just repeat the same from the other side. It may sound a bit complicated, but trust me, it's not. Just see how I'm doing it in the video. Now I'll be repeating the same steps again and again until I get the required length. I feel happy with the length I have right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the needle and then just gonna make a knot so that my braid doesn't open. Now I'm gonna cut the extra length of my friendship band. So here my easy and pretty looking friendship band is ready.